Hello YouTube, Tumble 1984 here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the British Army Mark II steel helmet, or the official name being Helmet Steel Mark II. Essentially it's what most people know as the Brodie pattern of steel helmet. Taking a look, it has that simple iconic shape. Everybody has seen and recognises this shape. Used all throughout the Second World War. Really nice, like I say, iconic helmet. Now, the new shell, when they moved on from the Mark 1, the original shell, was produced with the rim around the edge. Obviously on the Mark 1, the line is different as well, but on the Mark 1 it was a raw edge. So obviously in 1938, when this was produced, there were, well, leading up to the war, there was a need for a lot more helmets. And I think there was more than 12 million of these helmets produced, all in all. That's not even including the Commonwealth helmets that were produced all over. But yeah, anyway. Essentially the shell was made from 0.98mm non-magnetic manganese steel. So, decent steel, not the best, but it was okay. Now again, the difference with the Mark 1 essentially was the liner system, and like I say, the Mark II doesn't have the raw edge. So when we take a look inside now, this liner system, similar to the Mark IV, apart from the use of brass securing nut to hold it into place. As you see, it also has the 4 cross sections and the oilskin liner. Now this particular liner, including the chin strap, are actually reproduction. The helmet's original, it's the original shell. The liner and the chin strap are reproductions. Now when we take a look at the helmet, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but very faintly there's the letter W. Not too sure what that means. Obviously anybody, if they could shed light on that, that'd be great. I have had a look, I can't actually find anything. The problem I've got, originally I thought, oh, must mean Warden, but the helmet being painted green, I can't imagine there would have been an issue with green helmets with the word Warden on. Obviously green being a military colour. One more interesting side note about the Mark II. During the Second World War, when the German army were developing the new Stahlhelm, this helmet, along with the American M1 helmet and several other helmets, were tested ballistically, and it turns out the Mark II performed by far the worst. It actually offered the least amount of ballistic protection. But when we look at the shell, again from the top, you can see it was never designed to provide protection from bullets anyhow. Purely as a shrapnel helmet. It was designed for the trenches anyway. It was a trench helmet. For that purpose it was ideal. Anyway, that's the Mark II anyway. Like I say, if anybody can shed any light on the particular paint scheme on this, that would be great. Okay, thank you.